Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an eyebrow tutorial video. So the first thing I usually do whenever I want to draw my eyebrow is to use any hair wax of your choice. Can do this. You can use any hair wax of your choice. So after brushing up the hairs of your brows, after carving it, of course, brushing it upwards like this, you're just going to use your hand and press it in place, because pressing it in place is going to help you achieve that natural brows we are going for, and also allow the brows stay in place all day long. Afterwards, you're going to use a powder, either a powder or a setting powder, just to mattify that area. You see, it was oily before, so the powder is going to just make it a little matte and a little more manageable to work with. I'm going to be using this blot gel liner to draw the brows, right? So this blot gel liner is the bomb. It's really nice, highly pigmented, and really easy to work with. So you're not going to be starting from the beginning of your brows to draw your brows. So you're going to just start somewhere after the beginning of your brows, not kind of close to the arc area, right, as you can see in the video, and you draw the bottom line first before going to the up of your brows. Just start almost like where you started drawing the bottom line. So you're just going to like be patient about this and take your time while doing this, correcting whatever you want to correct until you get the shape you are going for. After that, you're going to just be filling it in lightly. As you can see how light-handed my hand is, I'm not like going in like really heavily, just light, and then following the strokes of the hair. Then afterwards, for the beginning part of the brows, you're just going to go in and be drawing hair-like strokes. As you can see, don't be heavy-handed, just be as light-handed as possible. Short hair-like strokes. This way you're going to it's going to look more natural, unlike the regular ones that are like just long hair like strokes. Then you just go in and like be making it perfect. If you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to this channel, because we are going to be bringing great things along your way, right? From beauty to lifestyle to girls talk to relationship gist even. So please subscribe. Okay, so I'm just going to be cleaning the brow with a concealer. Honestly, any concealer you have, as long as it is like 2 shades lighter than the person's skin tone, is fine. So what I'm using is the Ferrari concealer. This concealer is very creamy. I tried showing it on camera, but it was kind of blurry, so that's why I did not even show it here. So I used a Ferrari concealer to do this, and you can see it's very creamy and very, very pigmented. So I'm just going to be using it to clean the brows, just almost where I started drawing the brows. That's the same place I started cleaning the brows from. So everything about drawing brows are like, be patient while doing that. So yeah, take your time. I hope I'm explaining this very well, because voiceovers are hard. But yeah, so I'm just, after doing this, you're not going to draw, like you're not going to clean up to the beginning of the brow, just somewhere before the beginning of the brow. So I went back, looked at the brow, and it wasn't so perfect, so I went back in just to clean it even more to get it perfect. Another hack is to tell the person to close their eyes while doing this, so that you can actually be able, because when they open their eyes they might be blinking, and then that place will be puffy and you might not get what you want to get. So just tell them to close their eyes while cleaning your brows. So just be patient. Then the next thing you're going to do is to use a fluffy brush to blend that out. Blend it out. You can see how I'm blending out the end part of the brow. Don't blend the middle first. Just go to the front, be gentle about it, then blend it out. as well. You can see how seaming, like how clean the beginning of the brows is, and blended to other parts of the face, like the bridge of the nose and all. Yeah, so I'm just going to blend that out. I also do the same thing to the second brows and draw the eyeshadow. And yeah, so something, always remember to clean the up of your brows with foundation, because I forgot to do that, and you can see how this is looking. But yeah, the brows is giving, but I actually wish I cleaned the top of my brows to make it more defined and all. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.